The 2018 Toyota Prius. Prius offers harmony between man, nature, and machine. Using the wind, the sun, and advanced hybrid technology, Prius is a true full hybrid, one reason for its EPA estimated combined 50 MPG rating. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, power windows, trip computer, CD player, rear window defroster, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, brake assist, overhead console, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats, rear window wiper, front reading lamps, driver vanity mirror, passenger vanity mirror. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.